thin, paper thin. How come she didn't have any? It never expanded in the back to let anything out. At least where I was trying to go in to feel. You know, the bone.
Yeah.
It felt like her hip bone was right there.
Were there dogs in here earlier?
Big. They're big.
They're giant, especially this one.
Oh yeah, get the two little actually they look like little eyes.
Yeah.
Say, who's gonna feed me? Here. Haley, guys, here.
Put it.
There you go.
Put it right
Here's
there.
another one.
Thank you. No, you looked hungry.
Not too sure.
You did.
You know what she likes is those treats up there.
Oh,
We'll just leave that there
Those are
then.
her fan favorite. Yep, she's like, yep, that's it. That's what I was looking at. It wasn't your desk she was looking at. It was these.
It was Linda.
it wasn't me.
It wasn't you.
Oh. Oh.
We got her to eat her dinner. Well, half
Careful
of her
with
dinner.
too much of that.
We just sprinkled a little bit on, and she was like,
Right.
"Oh."
What if we wrap that? Yeah?
She's gonna spit it out.
No, she ate it.
Wow,
Yeah.
good girl.
She's very good. I know. I'm surprised this is working.
Dr. Kohler.
Yeah. But they all wanted that little Merle.
Huh?
They all wanted that little Merle. They
Oh,
were all in love with her.
Yeah, my mom texted too and said, I want the Merle. I was like, no.
Good girl.
You want more? Good girl. Calcium's good for you.
Huh.
Good girl.
Yeah, I told her we didn't need
What's
that. I said we don't need this. I said
You don't
she has
have to eat it. I'll just
24/7.
leave it there.
She's not going to be licking anything.
no. Are they all watching?
Woburn.
Uber?
Probably.
We fell in love with the puppies.
They only had them for how long? A couple of hours.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah, big. Yeah.
For pain control.
They're right here.
Yeah, every 12 hours. Okay.
Reese. Good girl, Mama. I know.
What's that for? Where's that number?
But what are you?
You have good color.
Girl, boy.
Who's singing there?
The Merle.
The Merle?
You cannot tell.
They're working real hard to try to find a nipple there.
Are all the puppies nursing?
Well,
They have been. They're not right now.
Okay.
3 out of the 5, I think are.
Haley, does that one, the green, have a blaze?
I think so.
Isn't there another boob back there you can put them on?
Oh yeah.
No, right there. That's the chocolate milk section. It's the good one. Right there. Yep, no, your face just touched it.
So does she have staples or stitches?
Stitches, dissolvable.
Dissolvable stitches?
What'd you call that? An almost almost kiss on the?
No, because there's another one that actually has almost an incomplete sleeve.
Okay.
I know, but we're kind of squashing them.
Who would you like next?
Are you connected? This one's the smallest. This one has the dot on his head. You go back there. Three boys, I believe.
So they were wrong. They were wrong. The
So we have
doctors?
3 boys?
3 boys. Full collar, 2 white marks on the rear.
I thought it was 2.
They're wrong. Look.
Huh?
Haley just looked at them.
Maybe she was wrong?
I don't claim to be perfect, so.
I like under the tail.
Go ahead. Tell me what they
No,
eat.
I think they're eating. I think we'll leave them alone.
Alright.
It'll be the same sex tomorrow. Most of them.
Full color. I'm just going to put in parentheses green.
Alright.
And that's our questionable. Okay.
You can eat it if you want. I'll leave it in front of you.
Okay.